Hey everyone, we're back with another video.
Hi.
So this week is going to be one of Parker's toy reviews. So once a week he is going to go out and purchase a toy or talk about a toy that he really likes for that week. So once a week there will be a toy video of Parker's choosing. I may or may not be in the video, it just all depends. So this week, what toy do you have picked?
We have a Newton's Cradle. Now, this is all based off of physics. As you know, you drop the ball and it vibrates through these 3 balls, and this last ball comes up. So it just works like this. You lift up the ball, you drop it.
Put it down.
It goes like that. You could do like tricks with it. You could do just 1 ball, or you could do 2 balls.
That's cool.
Yep. And you can do 3 balls, and when you do 3 balls, there's 3 balls. When you hit it and do the 2 balls, the 2 balls become 3 again. So, like that.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
Can you do 4?
Yeah, we can try to do 4, but it'll probably mess up. Yeah. Goes from 1 to 4. And
so what would you use this for? Just stress relief? To look at it?
It's kind of like if you close your eyes, it's kind of like satisfying. So, and then they hot glue strings, all 5 strings, and then in those strings they have little balls, and those little balls are welded with a hole in them, and then the string goes through the hole, and then they hot glue it, and then yeah.
Alright, so on my phone I actually pulled up Newton's law. So Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. The second law states that the acceleration of an object is dependent upon 2 variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. The third law states that for every action force in nature, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So Parker got it from Amazon, so I will leave a link below in the description box. Hopefully I can find it. I'm pretty sure I can. Yeah. So if you want to purchase one, it's kind of awesome. They're not really that expensive.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're like probably $13.
It's fun just to, oh, of course, I messed it up. I messed up everything. So yeah. If you guys want to comment, like, subscribe, we appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, so, bye.